Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo has urged the authority concerned to investigate the negligence of police officers who overlooked the intelligence report provided by the state government to the police department prior to the ambush on Chief Minister's advance escort convoy team on June 10 near Kotlen in Kangpopi district, as well as the judy bomb incident. According to a post on X account, MLA R.K. Imo has urged the state government to launch an inquiry against the negligent police officers. Highlighting the intelligence wing of Manipur Police Department, he stressed that the government has given advance intelligence report regarding the judy bomb conflict earlier this year, citing that the officers should held the accountable for those loss of lives and property of all those affected. He urged the state government to initiate an inquiry against the lackadaisical attitude of the police officers. He further demanded to suspend and take legal actions against them, implicating that their negligence is related to the ambush perpetrated by the Kuki terrorists on Chief Minister's advance escort convoy team. He further lambasted that the associate officers must held accountable for the ambush on the state police team heading as advance cavalcade for the Chief Minister. Notably, the state government has asked the police department to provide the report of security arrangement regarding the encroachment of around 200 Kuki zone militants in Jiribam from Churachandpur before June 11.